Identify and write. पहचानिए और लिखिए. Write the names of the given objects. दी गई चीजों के नाम लिखिए. Dear children, now we learn to write the spellings of the name of the given pictures. प्यारे बच्चों, अब हम दी गई चीजों के नाम के हरूफ लिखना सीखते हैं. We see here the picture of an apple. Now we say the spellings of an apple. A double P L E, apple. Save. So we write A double P L E on lines. We see here the picture of a ball. Now we say the spellings of ball. B A double L, ball. So we write B A double L on lines. We see here the picture of a cat. Now we say the spellings of cat. C A T, cat. So we write C A T, cat, on lines. We see here the picture of a drum. Now we say the spellings of drum. D R U M, drum. So we write D R U M, drum, on lines. We see here the picture of an egg. Now we say the spellings of egg. E double G, egg. So we write E double G, egg, on lines. We see here the picture of a fly. Now we say the spellings of fly. F L Y, fly. So we write F L Y, fly, on lines. We see here the picture of a glass. G L A double S, glass. So we write G L A double S, glass, on lines. We see here the picture of a house. Now we say the spellings of house. H O U S E, house, घर. So we write H O U S E, house, घर, on lines. We see here the picture of an ink pot. Now we say the spellings of ink pot. I N K P O T, ink pot. So we write I N K P O T. Ink pot on lines. We see here the picture of a jug. Now we say the spellings of jug. J U G. Jug. So we write J U G. Jug on lines. We see here the picture of a kite. Now we say the spellings of kite. K I T E. Kite. So we write K I T E. Kite on lines. We see here the picture of a lemon. Now we say the spellings of lemon. L E M O N. Lemon. So we write L E M O N. Lemon on lines. We see here the picture of a mug. Now we say the spellings of mug. M U G. Mug. So we write M U G. Mug on lines. We see here the picture of a nest. Now we say the spellings of nest. N E S T. Nest. So we write N E S T. Nest on lines. We see here the picture of an ox. Now we say the spellings of ox. O X. Ox. So we write O X. Ox on lines. We see here the picture of a parrot. Now we say the spellings of parrot. P A R O T. Parrot. So we write P A R O T. Parrot on lines. We see here the picture of a queen. Now we say the spellings of queen. Q U E N. Queen. So we write Q U E N. Queen on lines. We see here the picture of a rabbit. Now we say the spellings of rabbit. R A B I T. Rabbit. So we write R A B I T. Rabbit on lines. We see here the picture of a sparrow. Now we say the spellings of sparrow. S P A R O W. Sparrow. So we write S P A R O W. Sparrow on lines. We see here the picture of a turtle. Now we say the spellings of turtle. T U R T L E, turtle. So we write T U R T L E, turtle on lines. We see here the picture of a uniform. Now we say the spellings of uniform. U N I F O R M, uniform. So we write U N I F O R M, uniform on lines. We see here the picture of a vase. Now we say the spellings of vase. V A S E, vase. So we write V A S E, vase on lines. We see here the picture of a watermelon. Now we say the spellings of watermelon. W A T E R M E L O N, watermelon. So we write W A T E R M E L O N on lines. We see here the picture of an X-ray. Now we say the spellings of X-ray. X R A Y, X-ray. So we write X R A Y on lines. We see here the picture of a York. Now we say the spellings of York. Y O L K, York. So we write Y O L K on lines. We see here the picture of a zip. Now we say the spellings of zip. Z I P, zip. So we write Z I P on lines. We see here the picture of a zebra. Now we say the spellings of zebra. Z E B R A, zebra. So we write Z E B R A on lines. We see here the picture of a yak. Now we say the spellings of yak. Y A K, yak. So we write Y A K on lines. We see here the picture of a xylophone. Now we say the spellings of xylophone. X Y L O P H O N E, xylophone. So we write X Y L O P H O N E. On lines, we see here the picture of a watch. Now we say the spellings of watch. W A T C H, watch. So we write W A T C H. On lines,